Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. To learn more about video editing and some unravel secret of video editing, please can you subscribe to this channel and click on the notification bell so as to be notified of my next upload. Okay, first of all, you need to select and choose a profile for your project. You can use this size 1280 by 720. So you can select any size you want here. Yeah, so we're using this size. Close. Okay, so let's import our files right now. Import files by either choosing the files and clicking open or dragging it and dropping it into the project files. So let's open. Okay, you can see that it has appeared on your project files. So there are two options to add this to your timeline. Two options. So either you drag it from this project file into the track, which is your timeline, or another option by right clicking. We're going to see that now. So you right click on the video and you come down to this place. I see add to timeline or Ctrl W. So it will bring you some options for you to make some settings first before adding. So you can see this is tracks, track 4, track 5. So it's asking you which track you want to add the video to, and let's add to track 4. So this is the length of the video. You can reduce the length of the video. This is like 10 seconds. You can add animation to the video, fade in, fade out. Let's fade in the video. You can equally zoom, but let's not add that. You can add transition. These are the transition that you want it to appear with. So click OK. You can see that the video has appeared on the track 4 which we selected. So it's another fastest means, another better means of adding your video to this track, your timeline. So now we have added this video over each other. So let's work on the one above. So we're going to crop the width. So with this method we will play the video side by side. I'm cropping the width to 0.50. Makes it look this way. So the two video is being displayed side by side right now. So come to the video. So you can set the layouts. Bring your cursor to the video and right click. Right clicking will bring you some options. This is layout. So size 1 or quarter size to the top right. So you choose any of the sizes to bring the first video which we have cropped to the angle where you want it to be. Okay, now let's add more video to the timeline and then perform some other actions. Drag the videos near close to each other to arrange them properly. So now let's add text to the video, the first video. You click that, it brings you to this page to choose a template. Just choose a random template of your desire. So here you add the title. So we're going to add fitness training. Sorry, that is skipping. Okay, it's fitness training. Okay, you can change the font. You change the font size, that is the font size. 14. You can change the font itself. So there are many fonts embedded in this software. You can change to your desired one. Then you can change the background color. Saved. So now the text will appear on the project files here. So you drag and drop and drop it at any place you want it to be. So you drop it inside the video. So when you play now, it appears right on top of the video. If you still want to adjust the side, you right click in the position, you right click and set that. Let's add little animation. You can add animation. You can zoom from the start of the clip. We can add animation to the text. There are several options of the zoom effect. So we just kindly choose the one we like and apply. So let's preview. Okay. Let's add another action. Let's perform another action. Okay, it's changing the layout. Okay, yeah, changing the position of the text. So let's add transitions. There's several transitions you can add. In the middle, at the beginning, or in between two videos. You can add them to fine-tune your video. And let's add this one. You drag and drop on the video you want to add it to, then adjust the size. So this one we're adding in between these two video transitions. That is, you want to go to the next video that actually makes an action. So let's preview that. You can see the effect of the transition, then it appears like this. Switching to the next video. You can always adjust the size, that is the length of the transition. So this is filter. Add another filter. Let's add filter effect to the whole video. And then wave. So when you click on the effect, the properties appears in the properties window. So there you can set it vertical speed. You can set it to any length you want to make it look exactly what you want to do. So multiplier, setting that to 1.20, just randomly, just to show you can see the effects. I can see the changes on the video. It makes the video wave. I say that. So whichever way you want it to be, Let's undo that. Click the video again and let's perform the slice effect. Just cutting the video. You can keep both sides. You can see, slice the video into two. So here you can work on the two different parts. Alright, let's export. Export options. You can set certain things before you actually export a video. You can change the size, which we've done in the beginning. You can still change it. Yes, okay, you can see the quality on high. Our format, you can choose either device, the web, DVD, and our format. Our format is recommended so that it can work on any platform. Export to see more options. MP4 format. So after doing the necessary settings, you can now hit the export video below. Thanks.